Condition number one, on or about the 29th day of April, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Noe Alejandro Guerrero committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one? Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, ma'am. It's revocation at 7 months in the state jail. That was our agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give you 7 months? You're on probation for theft and you pick up another theft. I mean, if you want to testify, you can. I mean, that's just a general question for.
Oh, I apologize, Judge. That was for him. Your Honor, we're just asking the court. He's run into some problems, some issues with he had with family and work and things like that, and just had a bad situation. He's been in now for almost 4 months. He's kind of seen that this is not where he wants to be, so he just wants to get his time done and be a better person here.
All right, so why should I give him 7 months? He picked up a new case. He's on probation for theft and he picks up another theft.
Actually, homeless.
Okay, he's on probation for a theft case and he picks up another theft. Would you like to say something?
Homeless.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Homeless.
No, state your name.
Oh, okay. No, Alejandro Guerrero.
All right, so you say you're homeless and?
I've been struggling. So right now, I know if I go back out there, I'm still being in the struggle. I'm gonna end up doing the same thing. So I'll be in here and do my time.
No. Here's the thing. The state and the defense have agreed, well, recommending to the court, because I don't have to follow it, that you receive 7 months. I'm trying to understand why I shouldn't give you the full 2 years, because you're on probation for theft. You understand that? And you picked up another theft case. So I don't understand why I should follow your agreement.
He just asking for an opportunity. He understands he did something very stupid, and it's just asking for an opportunity. Your Honor, he's a young man, and he's told me he doesn't want to be back here, Your Honor.
All right, how old are you? All right, so what did you steal? All right, so that's the new case. You stole a vehicle? All right, so you say you're on probation for stealing a car?
Yep.
All right, so this new number one that you pled true to, what did you steal?
Stole clothes.
All right, what did he steal?
Clothing from Jason.
All right. Oh. So what JC Penney?
Southward Mall.
Okay, why are you stealing clothes from JC Penney?
To make me eat.
All right, so I don't understand why you have a job.
I had my feet social at that time.
So why do you go to probation and say, hey, I'm trying to get employment and I don't have my ID?
I was requiring.
So, and why didn't you go to the Salvation Army or the food bank?
I have a social ID.
You don't need a social, do you need a social security card to go to the food bank?
The ID for everything.
Do you need, somebody help me. If I'm wrong, let me know. If I am starving and I need food and I go to the food bank, or I go to the church, or I go to Salvation Army, are people telling me they're going to turn me down because I don't have an ID? Sorry, go starve somewhere else. Is that what you're telling me?
This one.
Anybody? Does anybody know that to be true?
Truthfully, I don't know.
All right. All right, I'm going to find violation of condition number one true. What have you done on probation?
Just, I've been reporting stuff, so I just missed out on my last 2 months.
Probation, has he done anything of significance on probation? All right, they're saying you have done nothing of significance on probation. Let me see here. When you have issues, your fallback shouldn't be, let me steal. You could have went to any other place. There are plenty of places in San Antonio that you can go to for clothing. And I'm assuming when you went to go steal clothing from JCPenney, you were clothed, right? All right. All right, I'm finding violation of condition number 1 true. I'm going to sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
This is a critical moment. By pleading true, the defendant is essentially admitting the probation violation, and that hands the judge full authority to revoke probation and impose up to the maximum sentence. From here on, mercy is discretionary, not.
Ammunition is you need to speak to an attorney. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
All right, court is calling 2019 CR 9389, State of Texas versus Jaime Fuente. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state.
Defense?
Valentina Cogur for Mr. Puente.
Are you Mr. Puente?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jaime Puente who was placed on community supervision in 2019 CR 9389 for the offense of continuous violence against family on October 14, 2019 for a term of 2 years and extended for a year? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Your Honor, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jaime Puente, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February of 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
And just one moment.
And that's on the underlying, Your Honor, not on the supplemental one.
I'll say, all right, thank you. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
State,
And the state will waive and abandon the others, Your Honor.
any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation, condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is a proposed agreement, Your Honor, for 2 years.
Yes, Your Honor, that's
Right,
already.
yes, sentence to 2 years, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Puente, is there anything you wish to say to the court?
Those 2 years, yeah, room with
No, no, no. That, whether or not I give you 2 years depends upon me. These parties can't agree on your sentence. So is there anything you wish to say to the court? All right, probation. Has Mr. Puente done anything on community supervision?
It looks like he completed the outpatient program, parenting class.
Okay. All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
I can put this.
All right, why are you not reporting?
The reason I stopped reporting was because I was told that I had to be enrolled in a GED class. And then at the last minute, when it was up to 2 years, they told me I had to graduate by that time. And there's no way that I was going to graduate within 2-3 weeks. Then I said, why am I going to report now? And I remember my professor was telling me, it would be nice that after you finish your probation, if you didn't graduate your GED, you continue doing it on the outside. And I remember her telling me that straight out. And then now at the end, they're telling me that I had to finish my GED before my probation was over. So that's why I said that don't make sense. But that's
No, I don't know of any, I could be wrong. I don't think any probation officer is telling you if you don't complete your GED, then we are going to issue a warrant for your arrest.
She told me that. She said it would be nice if I would continue the class after I finished the probation. In other words, I didn't have to get my GED as long as I was enrolled and active on.
All right, so we're back to the question, why didn't you report?
That's why.
Because somebody told you it will be nice after your probation is over, you
They told me
continue.
that I didn't have to graduate.
This is the judge drawing a hard line. Probation is already a second chance, and picking up the same charge again is one of the fastest ways to lose all credibility in court. Put yourself in the judge's seat. Would you buy this explanation?
If I'm wrong, correct me. You said that the person told you it would be nice after you're done with your probation that you continue with classes to complete your GED. And you said, great. And then you said they came back and said, no, you have to complete your GED by the end of your probation. And then your answer to that was, I'm going to stop reporting.
Yeah, because I didn't have enough time to do it anymore. So why am I going to report? You understand what I mean?
Oh, I understand what you mean. It just doesn't make any sense to me that probation would tell you that.
That's what was done.
And I ordered that you were to obtain your GED or be in a trade school, either one. So that doesn't make sense to me. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Is there anything else with regards to the sentence?
Nothing from the state.
This testimony is the defendant's last real opportunity to influence sentencing. Judges often weigh credibility heavily here. What's said next can be the difference between a short jail stay or a much longer one.
Attorney, did you understand it? All right. You do have a limited right to appeal, and that as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, and also because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you